Hey cuties, and welcome to a new video. My name is Kia. If you're new here, and first of all, I just want to say I am back, y'all, because the accident really had me down. It had me out for the count because I was doing treatment and stuff, so I couldn't like sit and do my nails for a long period of time. But I am back, so happy Valentine's Day today to all of those who celebrate Valentine's Day. My husband and I, we officially stopped celebrating it this year because we never really celebrated it anyway, and he always got me gifts and showed me love throughout the year anyway. So wow, all these notifications when I come through when I'm talking, but it is what it is because I want to get this video out today. So my apologies for the notifications in the back, but let's get straight into it. I'm also sick. I'm so sorry if that sounds annoying, y'all, but like I said, I recorded this and one of these videos got to go out today. So with that being said, I'm going through, ever since I learned about top coat your nails first before you design them, that's just been like my go-to. So I'm just top coating them first because I knew I wanted to do some type of hand painted design. I wanted to do, honestly, like pink, red, like a hot pink, a light pink and white, or maybe a red, pink and white. And I wanted to do like the 3D squiggly lines everybody do, but I wanted them to be in kind of like, not an ombre, but color blocked in different levels. Maybe I'll do that next time, but they just won't be Valentine's Day colors. But as you can see, that's not the way I went. I just went with a mauve French tip. I just kind of decided to go with something a little bit more nude, and I tried to do the deep French line, but I wanted to do the deep French line where it was like not so rounded but more triangle-ish in a way. I hope that makes sense. All of the polish colors used here are Madam Glam, so I will make sure I try my best to list the colors down below in the description box. And you guys know I'm still an affiliate, so I will have my link down below for you guys to click on that you could go through and purchase and get discounts on. So if you like me, if you love me, use that so I can use the coins to buy more things, because right now I need a new gel lamp and y'all can help contribute to that. If you also want to try Madam Glam, it's a good way to try Madam Glam on a discount. I remember wanting to try Madam Glam, seeing everybody else promoted it, and it just looked like it was just so great. I will say it is a how do I put this? It's kind of thick in a way, like a thicker opaque capacity, which is why you don't need a lot of it because it's already pigmented enough. But I don't think it's not as much that way for the colors. It's more, I feel like, that for the top coat. It's kind of thick in a way, so you don't need a lot. I hope that makes sense. It's kind of one of those things you just don't know until you try. But my favorite thing when I'm drawing Lordy, if I can talk, my favorite thing what I do to draw Frenchies is to go ahead and outline the nail bed area first to make it easier for myself, so I can then just go back in and polish the tips. And then because I always try to do the deep Frenchies, I always take the nail art brush to try to color in the sides to make it easier, so that I don't have to use the acetone to like clean the corners. Because sometimes I have a little too much of the acetone and it takes off a little too much off the corners and it just ends up looking crazy. So I try to avoid that, but this time it was like whatever, I'll just clean it up afterwards. But don't be like me, take your time if you can. Honestly, there's easier ways to do this that I do, because a lot of people they'll draw a little small line where they want the nail bed to end. And I kind of do that trick, but I just didn't do that. I always eyeball where I want them to stop, because I feel like I have a good enough situation where I can eyeball where they'll be even, if that makes sense. But that's all I really kind of wanted to say, because the rest of this is like, it's self-explanatory. You just watch the rest. The hardest part is drawing the lines. Everything else is the polish. And then I bought these cute gold charms from Amazon a while ago. Hopefully I can find them. But I hope you guys have a good Valentine's Day if you celebrate it. And I'll see you guys in the next one, cutie. Bye. And also, before I go, make sure you use the code, please. Click the link in the description box. It will be in there. And support me with the Madam Glam thing, you know, because I'm still trying to grow my channel and things like that. So if you subscribe to me, thank you so much. Like the video, comment down below, let me know if you like my videos or not. Also, if you don't like them, still let me know. Hit the like button, share the video if you think it's a good nail design for somebody else to try. And when you hit the notification bell, make sure it's filled in like the dark color, so you'll get notified for everything, because there is a setting to have them personalized to where it only notifies you for things that's, I guess, relevant to what you want to know. But if everything about you is nails, then my channel is relevant, because everything about me is nails. So I just want to put that out there. Okay, now I'm done. Bye. Mwah. Okay, I lied. I'm back because I was in the middle of trying to edit the other video, and y'all, I realized, this was not filmed with my camera. This was filmed with my phone. I have a Samsung Galaxy Note Ultra 20, and my camera died, so this was the best result. And I realized how much more clear my camera looks, so I apologize in advance for the quality. Also, do not drag me. But I was looking at some of these clips. I was like, I gotta do a better job of putting lotion on my hands after I foul them, because they do be they do be ashy, and they do be. Don't judge my hands too hard. I guess it's a genetic thing. I have a lot of wrinkles in my hands that make them look like older than what I am. I'm only 28, but I'm pretty sure they make me seem like I'm older than that. So don't drag me. I'm aware. But I just wanted to let y'all know that I'm also aware, and I'm going to try to do a better job of putting lotion on my hands after I foul them. So when I get to the design part, y'all won't be staring at my ashy cuticle area and ashy crevices of my fingers. Okay, now I'm done. Bye, y'all.